As far as we know, light is unsurpassed. Nothing travels faster than light. The absolute ceiling, the universe's final word on speed. And it's not nearly fast enough. By the end of this video, you'll understand why the stars you've known your whole life are ghosts from centuries past, why the cosmic speed limit isn't a barrier to be broken, but a verdict we can't appeal, and why the universe shows us everything and lets us touch almost none of it. Let's go for a ride. Imagine a spacecraft that can travel at the speed of light, not near it, at it. 670 million miles per hour, the absolute limit of physics. Nothing in the universe can catch you. First, a lap around Earth. Ready? Done. 0.13 seconds. You barely registered it happened. The fastest possible speed, and Earth feels like a marble you can roll across your palm. Okay, let's go somewhere. The Sun, our nearest star, should be quick, right? 1 minute passes, then 2, then 5. 8 minutes and 20 seconds. At the fastest speed the universe allows, our own star is an 8-minute commute. Let's push further. Neptune, the edge of our solar system, 4 hours and 10 minutes. Crossing our own planetary neighborhood takes half a workday. Proxima Centauri, the closest star beyond our sun, 4 years and 3 months. The nearest neighbor takes longer than a presidential term to reach. Sirius, the brightest star in our sky, 8 years and 8 months. You're beginning to feel it now, aren't you? The emptiness, the silence between things. Rigel, one of the jewels of Orion, the constellation you can see from your backyard, the one humanity has traced and named for 10,000 years, 860 years at the speed of light. Think about that. You look up at Orion and feel something. Connection, familiarity. These are our stars, you think, our neighborhood. But Rigel's light left during the Crusades. When you look at it, you're not seeing a star, you're seeing a ghost. A message from an age before your civilization existed in its current form. The night sky feels like home, but it's a museum. Every point of light is a relic, impossibly distant, impossibly old. The neighborhood doesn't exist, it never did. And it gets worse. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, stretches 100,000 light years across. To cross it would take 1,000 human lifetimes. Andromeda, our nearest major galaxy, 2.5 million years. The edge of the observable universe, 46 billion light years. 46 billion years. That number doesn't just exceed a human lifetime, it exceeds the lifetime of stars, of galaxies, of pretty much everything that will ever exist. At that scale, words like someday and eventually stop working, they break. The future isn't a destination anymore, it's a void, so distant it stops meaning anything at all. Light has been traveling since the beginning of time, literally. Since the first moment the universe existed, and in 13.8 billion years, it hasn't come close to crossing the cosmos. The fastest thing in the universe is too slow to cross it. We've broken every other limit. The sound barrier, gravity, the atom itself. Human history is a story of walls that became doors. But this wall is different. It's not a challenge to overcome. It's the structure of reality itself, and maybe that's the cruelest part. We can see so much. Galaxies billions of light years away, captured in perfect detail. The universe shows us everything and lets us touch almost none of it. Light crosses Earth in 1/10 of a second. It takes 46 billion years to cross the cosmos. Both statements describe the same speed. And maybe that's the most humbling truth. The universe is so vast that even perfection, even the fastest thing that we know of, moves through it like a whisper across an ocean. We are not slow. Light is not slow. The universe is simply that large, and we are simply that small. If this gave you something to sit with, I'm glad you were here. Subscribe if you want to do this again. I'll see you next time.